Boy, chill. I'm already recording. Hey. Hey guys, before I begin this video, I just want to tell you guys, just to save you guys money, Black Friday is going on right now, as you guys may already know. Go on the websites. You can go to Easy Splitters. They're having a Black Friday sale right now for some splitters. You can go to R1 Concepts. They're having 30% off on brake rotors, like mad crazy. I already ordered myself some splitters and some rotors. Go right now. Outcast Garage is having a pre-sale Black Friday sale, and I think during the week closer they're gonna have a Black Friday sale. That's where you can get all your bumpers, and they have tons of varieties, body kits, anything like that. Outcast Garage, go to there. And you know, Simple Tires having a Black Friday sale on their tires. Everybody's having Black Friday sales, so right now is the time to shop. I know it's gonna hurt because you're gonna spend a lot, but trust me, in the long run you're gonna save a lot of money because you know you're getting this at a discount. So just wanted to tell you guys. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now there's a lot going on. You know, it's my dad's birthday. There's not really nothing going on out there, and I'm kind of waiting for Black Friday for some super good deals to buy all my stuff. So that's kind of why it's kind of dead right now. But I will show you guys all the things that I'm gonna buy at the end of this video. But today's purpose video is because I'm really interested in supercharging the G. And if you guys are interested in supercharging the G, today we're gonna talk about most of the parts that you guys will need for like a conservative, you know, wheel horsepower. Probably aiming around, you know, high 300s, 400 horsepower to the wheel, something like that. So today we're going to talk about those parts that are needed. And just a quick disclaimer, guys, I've only been in the car industry about 1 year. Like, it's been 1 year since I barely knew how to change the oil. I didn't know how to drive manual. That's why I have an automatic G. And I mean, nowadays I know how to drive a manual. You know, I'm a little rusty, but I do know how to drive a manual. And one other disclaimer, and this is gonna piss a lot of you guys off, and I already know this, but I will be keeping my G automatic, and I have a reason. It's not because it's boring or anything like that. It's not even because of those people who comment, hey man, maybe you should switch to automatic. Hey, maybe you should do a manual swap. Hey bro, do a manual swap. It's not even those guys. It's for the real hater people that go like, bro, all of this for automatic G35. Bro, I subbed until I realized it was an automatic. All those people, man, I freaking love those people. I love and hate you guys at the same time. And it is because of them that I will be keeping my G35 auto, just to piss them off even more. But yeah, I'm gonna keep my G auto, and for all those of you guys, hey, fuck off. And like I said, I'm kind of new to this, so if you guys see any parts that I'm missing, anything that you see in the video that I should probably have when it comes to supercharging my G35, let me know down in the comment section below. I'd really appreciate it, and I really do need your help because I'm gonna need all the help from you guys. I'm really new when it comes to force induction, and I'm gonna need all the help. I've done tons of research, trust me, that's my specialty. I research almost everything. So you know, let me know, and without further ado, let's begin the video on, you know, all the parts that we need. And I'm gonna put screenshots here of all the parts, different things. And alright guys, so let's begin. What does it take to supercharge the G30? We're gonna start with the most simplest thing. You're gonna need a supercharger, right? I've decided to go with the Vortech supercharger simply because it's carb legal. You get a 3-year warranty. It's one of the better kits. It's really reliable, things like that. You can get things replaced, just things like that. So I've decided to go with the supercharger kit. And also another thing, now that I'm talking about supercharger, for all of you guys who are saying, bro, you're gonna spend way too much money on this G35, bro, it's not even gonna be that fast, bro. You're not even gonna be, this is not even about that. Like, I'm not even worried about that. I'm not thinking, hey bro, how fast am I gonna make this to beat this car? Oh, I really want this to beat the fastest car. I'm not even thinking about it. I'm simply supercharging, and I know you guys see this as a waste of money, and in my financial side of my brain, it's a big waste of money. Trust me, it's a big waste of money. But I'm doing it simply because I want to make my G35 special, even though it's an automatic, guys. Even though it's an automatic, I want to make my G35 special, and this was what started my channel. I feel like I should build up my G35 and you know, leave it nice, because it's what literally builds my channel, and it's literally what I work for. So that's what it's just for specialty. It's not to make it super fast, things like, it's just to make it a little bit more special. Trust me, I'm gonna spend like 10 grand on this. I'm already telling you, I'm gonna spend like 10 grand on this. And then I will continue to buy another car, build that car, and I'm just literally gonna spend money on cars for the rest of my life. It's just super fun. I love doing it. And I know all of you guys see this as a waste of money, but I love it. It's what I plan to do, and hey, it's my money, it's my life. If you guys want to stick with me, you're welcome. If you guys don't, hey, you feel free to leave. So that's just the way I see it, man. And for those of you guys who have been supporting, man, I freaking appreciate you guys so much. I promise you, it'll pay off. With consistency and patience, greatness will come. So I've been looking at the Vortech Supercharger kit. There's one on Vortech.com or the Vortech website, but I found this super, like, I'm gonna post it right here. There's a Z1 complete supercharger kit that I found online, right on Z1 Motorsports, and it comes with a lot of stuff already. So I thought that was pretty neat. I do have some little doubts. If you guys see, it shows you what the following kit comes with. It comes with the Vortech V3 supercharger tuner kit, and I believe the tuner kit is not carb legal. I believe it's not carb legal, but fuck it, whatever. It comes with the tuner kit, and I'm not sure if the tuner kit comes with the intercooler already. I am not sure, but I do know it doesn't come with the engine management and things like that. But this kit, the Z1 motor, already includes it, and we'll get more into that. But this tuner kit, just the tuner kit, I don't know if it comes with the intercooler. I'll have to call them and make sure about that. But yeah, it comes with the supercharger tuner kit. It comes with the Vortech 6-rib 2.87 pulley. It's a smaller diameter pulley, so it spins the blower faster, I believe. I've been researching some stuff. Let me know also, guys, if I make any mistakes, let me know down in the comment section below. Don't be afraid to call me out on it. But I believe a smaller diameter pulley, spins the blower a little faster, Then it comes with DW 600cc injectors. I was searching online, and first I was gonna buy I believe there were 750cc injectors, I believe. I'm not sure, but this kit comes with 600cc injectors, which is more than plenty enough. You have more space. Some people cut it really close and they keep their stock injectors, or they'll bump a little bit more to like 440cc injectors, but 600cc injectors will be plenty enough. Like I said, I'm not really gonna push this G to its max, just really conservative tune, things like that. And yeah, as you guys know, I don't really do donuts. I don't really do a lot of stuff. I don't mistreat my G. I like to take care of my G. I think of my G as just, if I can take care of it, it'll take care of me. And yes, I can have some fun with it, but everything with caution and everything with care. So that's what it is. So yeah, it comes with those injectors. And this is not the supercharger kit. This is the Z1 Motorsport package. If you get the complete kit, Vortech, it doesn't come with new injectors or things like that, and it costs around $5 grand. But this one costs 6,500 bucks, but it includes all this other stuff. And then it comes with the UpRev MAF GT, which I believe controls the airflow. That it comes with the UpRev Osiris standard engine management. So it already comes with the engine management, which the tuner kit didn't come with, but the Z1 Motorsport already includes it. If you get the complete kits Vortech, I think it comes with the engine management, their own version. But this one switches it up, and Z1 kind of organized this kit based on experience and things like that to make your best, to make the car run as smooth as possible with longevity, reliability, and things like that in mind. So yeah, it comes with the standard engine management for UpRev Osiris. Comes with the brake boost check valve, and it comes with the Walboro 255 LPH fuel pump. That fuel pump is actually recommended. I've been looking on the G35 driver forums, and almost everybody recommends that fuel pump. So I'm glad that Z1 actually includes that precise fuel pump, because it just shows that Z1 did their research. Z1 knows what they're talking about, and they're recommending quality stuff. So I'm glad. So that's all they include. On the bottom it says you can upgrade your oil cooler and things like that, which I will do. So let's jump into my Excel sheet that I was kind of forming during class. So right here I've been trying to, it's very simple and stuff. I was trying to calculating costs and things like that. But I included the Vortech supercharger kit, right, and everything that's included. As you see, those don't have prices because they're already included in the 6,500 price tag. Then we continue on to a Mishimoto oil catch can. I do plan on buying a catch can, and then these other smaller ones I plan to buy earlier than the supercharger, just so I can make a video on those and things like that, instead of just cramming everything in one video. So we're gonna be installing Mishimoto oil catch can. If you guys have any rubber brands that you guys think suit better, let me know. I know Z1 had an oil catch can, but I decided to go with Mishimoto. I'm gonna do a valve body upgrade because mine's an automatic. If I'd have a manual, you know, you upgrade your clutch and your flywheel. I'm gonna be buying a thermostatic oil cooler. Z1 has one for around 500 something, but I just rounded it to 600. I still don't know if I'm gonna buy it from Z1 Motorsports or I think another website. I really forgot which one had it. Let me see. Yeah, so you know, the thermostatic oil cooler, is good to have the thermostat in there included. Z1 has it as an option, but it's really good to have that on there because when you get the gauges, you know, it's very, very important to be measuring all your oil temperatures, your any type of measurement in the engine. You got to be reading it because that's what's gonna determine how long your engine lasts and things like that. Make sure everything is flowing smoothly. So the thermostatic oil cooler from Z1 is gonna run me around, it's like 578, but I just rounded it to 600. So that's that. Then we run on into the manifold. Now this, I had a little bit of confusion. There is that, I was looking at the Kinetics manifold, and so the Kinetics manifold, you have that black one, that you know, that includes the manifold plus the plenum intake, that runs around $300. That's why I have it in the Excel sheet as 300. But then there's also the Kinetics intake manifold, the other one with like the polished one, which runs around $700, $800. I'm probably gonna get it cheaper through some of my sponsors, but I wanted to ask you guys specifically on this, which one do you guys think is better? I know both of them include more airflow. They're bigger, more space, things like that. And I know the Kinetics, the polished one, adds more horsepower to it than the black one. So I don't know if the black one is literally just because the polished one, you know, it's a whole different shape. I'm pretty sure it's something different, right? But the black one looks exactly like the one you have on stock. It just adds that extra more space, like if you were to install a plenum spacer, if that makes sense. So it's basically, instead of putting the plenum spacer in there, it just already is included into the black piece, and then you just install the black piece on top. So that, I believe that's what that is, but let me know what the differences are. What do you think I should go with? Which one is better? Things like that. So let me know. I was a little confused on that, so that's why in the Excel sheet it's 300 or 700, because I didn't know which one to get. So give me a little bit of information on that one. I'll still have to do a little bit more research myself. Then we go on to gauges. This one I try to look, obviously you're gonna need your air, fuel gauge, gonna be a wideband gauge, and I know the 350Z has the airflow or something. They already have a gauge installed from stock, but the G35s don't. So I'm gonna be installing. So I'm gonna need to buy a gauge kit. I'm probably gonna ask this one person who already supercharged their G, but yeah, let me know what, if there's I know AEM does great gauges. Let me know where there's like a super great kit for gauges. Now that's all I have for right now. You know, basic stuff. You know, oil catch can, the intercooler, oil cooler, gauges, the manifold, valve body upgrade, injectors, spark plugs, engine management, brake booster check valve, Vortech pulley, the fuel pump, the supercharger kit itself with all the piping, the hardware, all of that. I was looking at oil pans. I don't know if I should buy a new lower oil pan. Let me know if I should do that, if that works. But I know one of the guys that I know that supercharged the G, they changed their lower oil pan. So I was kind of should I do it? I wasn't too much. I know it holds more, I think 1 quart more of oil, but I don't know if that had a purpose. I'm pretty sure it has a purpose, I just don't know it. So let me know if I should do that. Like I said, I'm gonna be buying a new exhaust. So the exhaust, I don't know if I should buy some test pipes, but I'm gonna be buying the exhaust for sure, and that's gonna be coming in December. I'm gonna be buying the new wrap for the G, and I'm gonna be buying the new bumper for the G, and I need to buy new tires for the G. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna spend a lot of fucking stupid money on this. but I don't know, man. I want to. That's as simple as everything. I know it doesn't make sense in any sorts of level. It doesn't make sense, and I know that. I acknowledge it, and it's not like I'm in denial. Like, I know that. Financial aspect, speed aspect, anything, any aspect you want to look at it, it doesn't make sense. But I'm gonna do it anyways. So there's something for you guys to look forward to. But that's about it. I'm kind of exhausted from talking. But let me know if I missed anything. I know I'm gonna keep the internal stock. I know that's gonna trigger some of you guys. No, I don't want to mess with all like the headers, the pistons, and things like that. And just simply because I'm not gonna be pushing a lot on the G. I said like around that. The goal is to aim for around 400 horsepower. That's the goal. But yeah, I'm gonna keep it around that. Even 380. I'm gonna keep it 380 horsepower to the wheel, or to like maybe 420 to the wheel. So between 380 and 420 to the wheel, that's our goal. If we can get there, that'll be freaking sick. So that's that. Besides that, guys, that's about it with the video. Let me know if I missed anything. Please inform me on anything you guys want to tell me. Please let me know. But there you go. You guys have something to look forward to the G, and can't wait to start a new car, man. Can't wait to start a new car. But his G is gonna be dope, man. It's gonna be dope. And when the engine blows, just gonna buy a new one. So thank you guys for everything. I appreciate you guys so much. And stay tuned for next video. I'm really trying my best to, you know, hook up my dad with this Lambo ride. I don't know if it's a go, if it's a no-go. I'm just confused. But I'm gonna try my best, guys. I'm gonna try my best. But besides that, I'll catch you guys next video, guys. Take care, have a good weekend, and I'll catch you guys next video. Peace out.